Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything related to Heartland, the longest-running family drama on Canadian television. If you're a fan of Heartland, you'll be happy to hear that the show has officially been renewed for season 17 and we finally have a premiere date. In this video, I'll tell you everything we know so far about Heartland season 17, including the release date, the cast, the plot, and some behind-the-scenes photos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Heartland Season 17 release date. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. The first and most important question is, when will Heartland Season 17 premiere? Well, the good news is that we don't have to wait too long to see our favorite characters back on our screens. According to the official Heartland on CBC Facebook page 1, Heartland Season 17 will premiere on Sunday, October 15th, 2023 at 7 p.m. on CBC and CBC Gem. That's right, only a few weeks away from now. The announcement was made on August 23rd, along with a teaser trailer that gave us a glimpse of what to expect from the new season. The main characters are Amy Fleming, played by Amber Marshall, Lou Fleming, played by Michelle Morgan, Jack Bartlett, played by Sean Johnston, and Tim Fleming, played by Chris Potter. They are the core of the Bartlett-Fleming family that owns and runs the Heartland Ranch in Alberta, Canada. They are also joined by Ty Borden, played by Graham Wardle, Amy's husband and a veterinarian, Georgie Crawley, played by Alicia Newton, Lou's adopted daughter and an aspiring equestrian, Jade Varani, played by Madison Chieto, Georgie's best friend and a rodeo star, Mitch Cuddy, played by Kevin McGarry, Lou's ex-boyfriend and a ranch hand, Caleb Odell, played by Kerry James, Ty's friend and a former rodeo cowboy, Lisa Stillman, played by Jessica Steen, Jack's wife and a successful businesswoman, and Peter Morris, played by Gabriel Hogan, Lou's ex-husband and Georgie's biological father. All of these actors have confirmed that they will be back for Heartland Season 17, along with some recurring and guest stars that we'll see throughout the season. Some of them are Wyatt, played by Dempsey Bragg, Georgie's boyfriend and a musician, Quinn, played by Julia Marin Baker, Lou's youngest daughter and Peter's biological daughter, Lindy Borden, played by Ruby Spencer, Amy and Ty's daughter and a horse whisperer in the making, Samantha Louise Fleming Morris, played by Zara Oram, Lou and Peter's daughter and Quinn's half-sister, Georgie Fleming Morris, played by Ella Jonas Farlinger, Lou and Peter's eldest daughter and Georgie's half-sister, Casey McMurtry, played by Cindy Busby, Tim's girlfriend and a barrel racer, Scott Cardinal, played by Nathaniel Arkand, Ty's mentor and a veterinarian, Jess Stanton, played by Ennis Esmer, Lisa's nephew and a horse trainer, Maggie Duval, played by Megan Follows, the owner of Maggie's Diner and a friend of the family, Bob Granger, played by Chris Gillett, Maggie's husband and a lawyer, Val Stanton, played by Wanda Cannon, Jess's mother and a wealthy horse breeder, Ashley Stanton, played by Cindy Sampson, Jess's sister and Val's daughter, Soraya Duval, played by Amber Marshall, Maggie and Bob's daughter and Amy's childhood friend, Mallory Wells, played by Jessica Amley, Jack's former foster daughter and a journalist, Jake Anderson, played by Jake Church, Mallory's husband and a rancher, Will Vernon, played by Kiefer O'Reilly, Jade's younger brother and a troublemaker, Clint Riley, played by George Kenyon, Jade's father and a rodeo legend, Janice Wayne, played by Miranda Fregan, Tim's ex-wife and Casey's rival, Wade Dalton, played by James Brolin, Tim's estranged father and a former rodeo champion, Lily Borden, played by Megan Charpentier, Ty's half-sister and Wade's daughter, Marion Fleming, played by Liza Langlois, Amy and Lou's mother and Jack's daughter, and Nick Harwell, played by Stephen Amell, a famous show jumper and Amy's ex-boyfriend. So, what will happen in Heartland Season 17? Well, according to the official synopsis for the new season, Heartland Season 17 is all about embracing the unexpected. It's about new experiences and taking the path less traveled. In Season 17, the Bartlett-Fleming family will find themselves excited for the future and ready to embrace new adventures, challenges, and relationships. But no matter how much things may change, Amy, Lou, Jack, and Tim will continue to fight for what they believe in while staying rooted in the land that has been in the Bartlett-Fleming family for generations. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about Heartland Season 17. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Heartland content. Also, Let me know in the comments what you think about Heartland Season 17 and what you're most excited to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.